Yo, Mr. White, this batch is ready.
Alright, let me know what this next batch over here.
Alright.
It's okay, Jesse. You can breathe.
Is that the last batch of today?
Yep, batch number 3. Highly concentrated. 96%.
96. Yeah! Mr. White, this makes us the highest percentage on the drug cartel market.
Perks of being a chemistry teacher. Mr. Adamsack.
Okay?
Jesse, get that last batch of the churner. Help me clean up and we can head home.
Mr. White,
Yes, Jesse.
you think it's time, since I'm your assistant, you tell me what the secret is to the meth and you teach me how to make it? You know, the way you make it with that special Walter White touch?
So persistent. Clean up the churners and I'll tell you everything you need to know.
You always say that. You always say that, Mr. White. You never tell me. I want it now.
Fine. Jesse, this is my cookie for you. Listen closely. Jesse, do you understand everything?
Yeah, pretty sure I do. What was that one thing about the acids, the bases, and that ZH paper?
pH paper for the pH scale.
Yeah, all that stuff. I didn't really get that. Do you think you can explain that again?
Funny. Chemistry class is doing the same exact thing.
Like a project?
Yeah, a video project.
Huh. That's interesting. A video project for chemistry.
Oh yeah.
Some, you think you can show me on your Walter whiteboard? Get it? 'Cause
You're worse than Gale.
don't compare me to that pansy.
Let's just go. Okay, Jesse. This is going to be an explanation on acids, bases, and the pH scale. So we're going to start off with talking about water. So what is water? It's H2O, basic form chemical structure. And it can be both, it's an amphiteric substance. So what does that mean? It can be both an acid and a base. So, what does this have to do anything with acids and bases, you say? Most solutions get dissolved in water, so, hey, that makes it an acid or a base. So, what are we going to talk about next? H2O can dissolve and turn into two other ions called hydronium and hydroxide. Hydronium can be simplified to just H+, hence the name pH. OH is hydroxide is OH, which is negative, while H is positive. Hence, hydronium equals acid, while OH equals base. So this leads to the pH scale, which is a scale that goes from 0 to 14. 0 being highly acidic, and 14 being very basic. So what does this pH scale do exactly? It's just a scale that helps us determine if it's an acid or a base. So we can put like orange juice at a pH scale of about like 5, 4. And usually the scientists put pH paper or colors to represent how acidic or basic a substance is. So they use, so for colors like deep violet, that's basic. For colors like red or orange, that's acidic. So now we get into how to solve for the H plus concentration in a substance, which is the negative log of the concentration, which is 1 times 10 to the n, or you have the mole like 0.001, which you can change into 1 times 10 to the negative number. So we have an example problem, which is 1 times 10 to the negative fifth. So how do we solve this? Well, there's a button on your calculator called log. You press the negative button before that, log of whatever concentration you have. Say you have 1 times 10 to the negative fifth. You just type in the negative log and you get 5. There's an easier way to do this. If you have 1 times 10 to the negative fifth, let's say, you can just drop down and cross out the negative for 5. And that's how you get the answer 5. You just drop down the negative 5, erase the negative, and you've got your answer 5. So just erase negative and drop the exponent. That's all you need to do for a pH problem.
Good work again today, Mr. White. Pleasure as always.
You're welcome, Jesse. Be safe.
Yeah,
Oh.
Yeah?
Got a gift for you.
Hey, you didn't have to do that. That's fine.
Oh, nice. Fresh batch.
Oh, dude, 96%?
96% always.
Oh, thanks, man. Hey. See you tomorrow. %. Mr. White, you are my man. Pop Rocks? Pop Rocks? Really, Mr. White? Are you kidding me?